It is Wednesday, May 4th, 2021. I'm Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage related terms. Today's term is addendum, which is a modification or change or nullification on the original contract. So when you submit an offer to purchase a piece of property in real estate, you are going to have certain terms in that original contract. During the attorney review period, you will have the opportunity to change whatever those terms are. Maybe you and the seller agree that waiving the appraisal is not necessary, because if the house doesn't appraise, you as the buyer should have the right to renegotiate. Unfortunately, in this really crazy market that we're in right now, we are seeing a lot of people that are waiving appraisals and therefore have to come out of pocket if the house doesn't appraise because they offered $50,000 over ask price. If the seller finds that that's not necessary and actually wants to be fair, then it really works to your advantage to have an addendum to state that, and then you and the buyer and the seller would then sign off on that, and that will override whatever is in the original contract. Another simple example would be if the closing date has to change. You were scheduled to close Wednesday, May 5th, but something happened and you guys can't close until May 10th. So what you would do then is have an addendum that modifies the closing date, both parties sign, and that way if anything happens in the future, good or bad, whether it's legally related or not, everything is in order. What the contract says is what actually happened, and you always want to make sure that what is in your contract is what you are okay with and what actually happens. There's no breach on your end, because that could lead to significant financial loss, loss of time, and all sorts of things. So that is addendum. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to reach out to me and I will assist you there. I appreciate you for tuning in to today's video, and I hope you have a great rest of your evening. I will see you next week.